Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into some hilarious summer fun with the best dissolving bikini prank on the market, the dissolving swim trunks. If you're looking for the perfect gag gift for your friends or just want to add a little spice to your beach party, stick around because this product is guaranteed to make a splash. Here they are, the dissolving swim trunks. At first glance, they look just like your regular swimwear. But wait until they hit the water. These trunks are designed to dissolve quickly, making for a memorable moment that you'll want to capture on camera. Just imagine the surprise on your buddy's face when he realizes his shorts have vanished. Let's take a closer look at these trunks. They're made from 100% polyester, which gives them that standard swim trunk feel and look. The fabric is lightweight, and they feature a drawstring closure to ensure a snug fit. The real magic happens when you or someone else jumps into the pool. In just a matter of seconds, the trunks dissolve, leaving nothing but memories behind. Perfect for birthday parties, bachelor parties, or any beach get-together. Now, let's talk about the experience. The anticipation builds as your friend approaches the water. They think they're just going for a swim in a typical pair of trunks, but that's where the fun begins. The moment they take the plunge, the hilarity ensues. The unexpectedness of the disappearing act leaves everyone in stitches. It's a light-hearted prank that's perfect for summer, and everyone can join in on the laughter. One of the best features of these swim trunks is that they maintain their standard appearance until it's too late. There's no clue that they're anything but ordinary, which makes the prank even more enjoyable. Make sure your friends have a backup pair of swim trunks, or else things might get a little awkward. It's all about fun and laughs, so be considerate of your audience. Whether you're looking to prank a friend or just want to create a memorable moment at your next gathering, the dissolving swim trunks are your go-to choice. They retail for just $8.99, which is a small price to pay for hours of entertainment. You can find these trunks online, and they make a fantastic gift for anyone with a good sense of humor. So, if you want to bring a wave of laughter to your next beach outing, check out the dissolving swim trunks. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more fun product reviews. Dive into the fun and make a splash with this hilarious prank. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep laughing.